So today I'm making a wine butler or a wine rack, and I'm starting out just dusting some mica powder onto my mold.
I just wanna be myself for a day. Follow me and no one else today. Stand up and throw down your guns. The new generation run when we tell you to run. Let's start a revolution. We fight, we fight. Let's start a revolution. I just wanna be myself for a day. Follow me and no one else to let's start a revolution. Let's start a revolution. I'm winning, I won't hold back. Not stop until I'm the best. I'm gonna put my heart into you. Move with me, I'll show you too. Floor is yours, reach out to the ground. Do you believe we're never gonna give up? We're close. Let it go inside. Watch me now, I'll take back the crowd. Oh, take back the crown. Oh, win back the crowd. Those lights blowing me, floating so high, no one can touch me. I'm fixed to the rhythm, throw it down.
Once this cured, I thought it kind of looks basic. It looks like a shirt I have actually with the tie-dye. So I've added some hot glue dots to the top, and I wasn't really sure if this was going to work. And would I do this the same way again? I'm not sure. So let me know what you think in the comments about this concept. I just thought maybe I could do something a little different here. So I put hot glue all around on here and let that dry. Have some expert resin that I mixed with black pigment paste, and I'm just pouring that on there around the glue.
It's my life. It's my life. Who do you think you are? It's my life. Who do you think you are?
I'm just using my stick to get off the excess on the top there. It's the next day again, and I'm just removing the glue with my knife. I continued on with this, just getting all of the glue dots off of my resin. Now, once I got all the glue removed, I just used my UV resin to fill in where that glue was, and it really did bring the colors out again. it's actually about a week later. Honestly, I left this for a little bit, but I've added my eye candy 24 karat gold mica powder, and I am just going to put that all over the top. And use my stick to push off the excess. Okay, so I'm gonna demold this wine Butler finally. It's been like a week, 2 weeks, I don't even know. So let's just get this off here and see what we got. I think the colors came through pretty nicely where I put the glue. Okay. The one side is where I brushed the mica, and then I have the other side where I did the glue dots and the different colors. I think it came out nice. I don't know if I would do this concept exactly the same way again next time. However, I do like the finished result and I'm happy with it. I might do something else with the glue coming up shortly because it does provide a barrier. I have a few ideas of what I could do with it. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe down below. And thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day.